Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with a continuation of Star Trek Voyager. This time it's something a little bit different. I've been waiting for the lighting kit to actually turn up in the post, and it has actually arrived. And I just wanted to do a little bit of a unboxing, unbagging. We're going to call it an unbagging of this kit. It came from Ireland on eBay from a seller called JB Lighting and Models. Okay, they're from Ireland. It's a fairly good price, £17. Now the thing is, the lights on this kit are all static. There's no flashing lights or anything like that. I'm not going to bother with that. When I do the JJ prize, the Enterprise from the Into Darkness movie, that's going to have like flashing lights and everything like that. It's going to have all the bells and whistles. I say I'm going to go all out on that one. But for this, because it's my first time doing it, I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to spend an awful lot of money on it. And I think this kit was only like £17, something along those lines. So, let's see what we have here. Thank you for your purchase. Now, just send us a message on eBay. Let us know you received your items, and we will reply with your instructions. Don't forget, if you're looking for something you don't see on our page, just ask, smiley face. Please note, emails will be responded to within 48 hours, and any email sent over the weekend won't be replied until Monday. Please allow extra days for posting on public holidays, blah blah blah, thanks. Okay, so, not only did I waited about a week for the kit. I think I bought it on the 28th, and it came yesterday on the 7th. So I waited about a week, and I've now got to wait an extra 2 days for the instructions to come in. Right, let's see what we have in the box or the bag. Let's have a look. See. Let's get everything out. Right, okay. So this is what we have. We have some shrink tubing, which will come in handy. We've got some wire, black and red, quite thin wire as well, which is quite good. And I've got myself an electric wire cutter as well, so that'll help with trimming those down. This runs on a 9-volt battery, so they've given me obviously one of these as well, so that's good. And it looks like this has already been tinned, so we don't have to do too much tinning on that, so that's good. So it's giving us a 9-volt battery connector. We have an on-off switch as well, which seems pretty good. I have to find a place to put that on the model kit and try and hide the battery somehow. I don't know how I'm going to do that. We have resistors, which are 39 resistors on here, which is quite a lot. I don't know if you can, I can't tell what they are or what resistance they are. Let's take them out and have a little look, see if I can see anything on there that tells me. No, it doesn't look like it. Well, I can't see anything that tells me what resistance they are. So you're out of luck there. I don't know what resistance these resistors are, but we've got 39 of those. I really should have brought up what a. I'll do that I'll do that later. Because it's always good to test the LEDs when you get them, just to make sure they're working fine. I mean, they should be. He's had quite a lot of good reviews, so that's one of the reasons why I went with him. Right, now we also have here 3mm green LEDs, 6 of those. Now, if I remember correctly, with an LED, let's just grab one of these bad boys out. If I remember correctly, the shorter lead is the negative, and the longer lead is the positive. So we would have to put the resistor on the positive side of the LED, and obviously the red wire, and then the black wire for the negative on there. At least that's what I remember. I could be completely utterly wrong, but we will see. So we've got a 3mm green LED right now. And we have one 5mm blue LED, which I'm going to be guessing is going to be going on the front of the sensor dish. So that's what I'm thinking that's for. 3mm orange LEDs, we've got 4 of those. Not too sure what the orange ones are for just yet, but we'll get there eventually. I have... Oh, that's a phone outside. Okay. So we also have 3mm red LEDs times 10. So we've got 10 of those. And white LEDs, 5mm. Again, we've got 11. So I'm guessing this is going to be like for the hull and for the saucer section and for the other hull to light up the lighty bits. Yeah, you know what I mean. It's light up the windows. That's the word. That's what I'm guessing these are gonna be for. And we also have 2 strips of blue ribbon LED, which I'm going to be guessing is for the nacelles, the warp nacelle. And there's 6 LEDs per strip there. So that's not too bad. I mean, I've never done anything like this before, so it's going to be a little bit of a trial and error for me. I mean, I'm thinking I've got everything I need to be able to do this. I'm kind of guessing. So we've got. I mean, I think the ribbon cable should have resistors already. Yeah, it's already got the ribbon cable will already have resistors on, so don't need to worry too much about that. Really should have bought a button batch, but I'll test all of these LEDs out at a later date in my own time, because you don't want to see that. 39 LEDs, and we've got the wire just there. We've got that. So this is everything that you'll get in this kit from JB Models and Lighting and Models on eBay. Not bad for 17 pounds. My only bugbear is like you wait for about a week for the model, a bit longer if you're overseas. I'm in the UK, and they're obviously in Ireland, which is just over the channel. But waited about a week for then you've got to wait another 2 days just for instructions, so you still can't go ahead and build the model. That's my only bugbear, my only gripe with them. I mean, it was relatively fast delivery for it to come in. Obviously they had to sort them all out and everything for you, so that's good. And they do say that they test them before they come out. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So the next video, we are going to be light blocking, so keep a lookout for that. But one of the most important things I think I forgot to mention is, before we do any light blocking, putting any paint down on anything like that, you need to wash the kit. That's one of the most important things, otherwise you might be putting down masking tape and everything like that, and it just won't work because it's just gone. It's pulled up the paint because you haven't washed it properly, and there's still mold release sitting on model kits. That's always the way. So it's always best to give your model kits a wash. So I'm going to be doing that right now. I'm going to go and give the model kits a good old wash. Good old CNC there. So we're going to keep that in a safe place, which is going to be right next to my microphone there. And there we go. That was the unboxing of the lighting kit. I hope you enjoyed that video. As I say, look out for the next one, where we're going to be going into light blocking. And so I will see you in the next one. And remember, wash your model kit parts. So do that now before you do anything else. Always. I mean, preferably it's once you finish sanding and everything, because otherwise you're going to have to just quickly go over it again. But as I say, once you've got that done, trust me, you need to wash your kits. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I shall see you in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.